Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtiwada. In this video, we will learn about a class name property of a document object, and we will try to manipulate that class names by different strategies, and how it behaves we'll see in this video. So let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here I have created three files: index.html, index.css and index.js. All these three are linked to my index.html, where index.js has been linked with script tag and index.css has been linked up with link tag. So now what I want to do is I want to tell you what exactly the class name property is and how to manipulate it. For example, you have a paragraph, and here I have something like I am using class name property. Let me save this and go to your index.js. Let me write const class name element is equal to document dot get element by id of, I need to pass the id. Let me consider one id as a class name id. So this is my id, and let me copy this id and then go to index.js, paste here, save and give semicolon, and now save this. And now let me create some set of classes. So dot red, which indicates color red, and I have one more thing called as dot blue, which indicates color as blue, and font size 14. So this indicates font hyphen size 14 pixel, and then dot font hyphen weight hyphen bold. This indicates font hyphen weight bold. So by default, I am giving HTML text with red color, and I am giving font hyphen size hyphen 14 pixel. So let me save this and go to your JS. Let me try to access that classes by using class name element dot class name. There is a property called as class name, which gives the list of classes in a string format. So you will be getting exactly the red and f hyphen s hyphen 14. So let me go here and reload. So you can see that is in a red color, and you can see what are the class name string we have: red space f hyphen s hyphen 14. So what exactly the class name will do, and why we are using a class name as a property name, because as this is a class, that class in JavaScript is a keyword. So that is the reason whenever we are using that class name as a property in JavaScript, we should not use class as a property. So now we can access a element classes by using class name, and I can manipulate it by using a string concatenation. So class name element dot class name is equal to, I just want to combine this, that means plus is equal to, and inside the string let me give a space. I want to create a space because every class is separated by a space, and let me copy this f hyphen w, that means font hyphen weight hyphen bold. Let me copy this and paste here. Now before reloading, the class name will contain only two classes, that is red and size as 14, like this. And whenever I start reloading it, you will be seeing three, that is font weight, font size as well as color. So let me go here and move this console from here to here and save this. Go here, reload. You can see some bold here, and you can see three classes. And if we inspect, this inspect will also contain three classes. That means we are adding one more class by using string concatenation. And not only like this, even the same thing I can do by using class name element dot class name is equal to the existing one. That means class name element dot class name plus you can give something like f hyphen w hyphen b. This is also one of the way to concatenate your string of a class names, and reload it works the same way. You can see three classes. Now if you want to override complete class name, how you can do that? We can do that by using class name element dot class name is equal to, what I want to do is I want to override the existing classes. I want to have only the class names which are provided here. I want to have blue with font hyphen weight hyphen bold. I want only these two classes. I want to remove that red as well as font size 14. I want to remove these two classes from my class name property, and I want to override with blue as well as font weight bold. Now our element will contain only blue as well as bold weight. So let me reload, and if you see here it is bold as well as blue color. So this is how you can manipulate any of the classes in your JavaScript DOM. And to make it clear, please note the class name property is a property which is used to access the class of an HTML element, because the class is a keyword in JavaScript. So JavaScript is recommended not to use the same type of naming conventions. That is the reason they have added a class name as a extra property which is referring to your class property of a HTML element. And also, I want to let you know about Techzette. Techzette is a platform on Medium where you can learn all the backend stuff. Mainly, it is focused on the Adobe Experience Management, Magento, as well as OSGI, along with the basics of Java. And you can see the Sling framework completely. So just have a click on the link below in the description and have a look on this Medium blog. If you like, please like, share, follow Medium blog. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.